Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram homepage problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Go to the storage next. Now here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone, or maybe you can, if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data, all your information will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.